First tonight, allegations of misconduct and secrecy nearly 6 years after Austin police officers seriously injured dozens of protesters during Black Lives Matter demonstrations in 2020. And while many of those cases were dismissed years ago, one of the few officers whose case is still active was back in court today as Chance Brecht's attorneys question whether the district attorney withheld key information and secretly negotiated with city officials.
KVUE senior reporter Tony Plahetsky has been following this case for years and was in the courtroom this morning. Tony, talk to us about the issues at play in this case.
So there are a couple of different prongs at play. The root of it all is that allegation that the district attorney had quote unquote secret meetings with the city of Austin, and that information was developed during the course of those meetings favorable to the officers that was not then given to their defense as required by law. Now, what happened subsequent to that, though, is that in court today, the judge essentially said there is not enough compelling information to warrant a criminal investigation into those allegations. But it is also very important to note that she asked for more facts from both sides, a timeline showing the flow of information from the DA's office to the defense, and that she will analyze that at a future date to determine whether or not they may have improperly not turned over evidence, which the maximum penalty for that would be dismissing these cases.
Today's move just seems like this buys more time in an already open case, a case that has already gone on for so long already. Why has it gone on for so long, Tony?
So it's fair to say that both sides have asked for more time, and more time can sometimes mean time to allow both sides to do testing, for example, on evidence, or maybe to contact more witnesses. Yet at the same time, there has been a call by some in the community for the district attorney's office to get rid of these cases, to dismiss them, to put this dark chapter in Austin history to rest. But it is also very important to note, Mark and Ashley, there's another segment in the community who still believes that these officers should be held accountable for the actions they took that day. But again, all of this is still going to unfold over weeks and possibly months.
A lot more to do with this. Tony, Absolutely. Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky, thank you so much for being here.
Tony, thank you. And